friends. It's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I have my roulette pan collab update for December. I'm going to share with you what I've finished. There's 6 new roll-ins, so we're starting all the way over. Full disclosure, I already filmed this video and I went to pull it off my SD card, and it and my Throwback 30 video were not on it. So I am refilming, but I am not re-rolling. So I will walk you through the prompts that I had, the stuff that I finished, and then I will walk you through the prompts that I got and the products that I picked. So let's start with what we finished. Oh, this got real big. I think this is a 7. It has nothing to do with this video, but these, this is a, so, okay, let me just tell a story. My birthstone is a diamond. Rob's birthstone is an aquamarine. And when we were talking about getting married and we were talking about a ring, at the time, he didn't have a job. I was moving down here to Dallas, so money was real tight. And I didn't really want a diamond. Like, diamonds are okay, but I didn't really want a diamond. I would much rather have had his birthstone, and so he would be close to me. So we picked out a ring from Hellsberg, whatever it's called. And it was a past, present, future ring. You guys remember when those were popular 12 years ago. And so, yeah, it's aquamarine. And so then we picked then later, when we got a little bit more money, I found a really pretty set that was like, I think about $600 probably. And I got that. The issue with that is the band is really, really small. So I have to wait till I'm like to the weight I'm going to be at, and my fingers are at the size they're going to be before I can have that one resized. So I've just bought costume jewelry that has a fake aquamarine in it, and that's what you see. And sometimes you see a ring and sometimes you don't, because I have rheumatoid arthritis, and sometimes my joints are very, very swollen and I can't wear a ring, and then like today could probably just fall off. So anyway, that's the story of that. Let's get into the video. Again, I apologize that I don't have the footage of me rolling. And I filmed another project intro after this that was roulette style, so I don't even have the numbers on my phone, but I do have them on a spreadsheet. So if you're new to this channel, new to me, hi, welcome. It's normally not like this. But I filmed 4 or 5 videos today, and again, I've lost footage for 2 of them, so we're refilming. Anyway, this is a project that was created by Alexi and Rebecca Morgan. I will have all the information linked down below. It's September through January. I don't know if it's going to come back for 2022. I guess we'll hear from one of them at the end when we have the finale next month. And like I said, I've hit goal or finished or basically 6 things. So let's get started. We're going to start with number 9. So I got prompt number 9. And that was a product that I never hear anybody talking about on YouTube. I picked a cream blush from Shop Miss A. These things are $1. I think they're called the Hush blushes. Hush Cream Sheer Blush. They're not sheer. It's what's on my face today. Anyway, a really great formula. If you're someone who just wants to kind of like dip your toe into cream blushes, again, it's $1. It's empty. I finished it. I got 10 uses out of this. I thought I would, because I basically hit ban after the 3rd use. But if you're someone who wants to dip your toes into cream products, you want something that you can easily blend out, looks really pretty on the cheeks, and again, is $1, then I highly suggest these. I'm putting another one in another project because I really, really like these. Again, 10, 11, 12 uses, maybe 15, depending on how much you put on. But worth it. And I love Shop Miss A. Get some sponges, get some lashes, get all the things. I was going to do a full face of Shop Miss A. Let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Yeah, okay. That's done. So this one is a roll out. 60 was a perfume, and I rolled in the Versace Bright Crystal Little Mini. This is my favorite scent, but it's more of a spring-summer scent for me. I probably have 5 or 6 more of those sample sizes because I absolutely love it. And I have a big bottle. So yeah, that is goal met because I finished it. 105 was a product in loose form. I picked this. This is the Sydney Grace highlighter in Arctic Moon. This is a loose highlighter. My goal was to use this 10 times. I think I used it probably a couple more than that. This is really, really pretty. The issue I think is that it may be a little too deep for me because I'm kind of pasty. And it's a very taupey kind of color, which I think is beautiful. But yeah, it's not like I'm going to pan this 10 years. But yeah, anyway, I hit my goal on that. So that is rollout number 3. The next one was something black, and I rolled in the NARS Little Mini lipstick in American Woman. I cannot find it. I cannot find it anywhere in this craft room. I'm in the middle of doing inventory and just I have stuff in everywhere, baskets everywhere. So I don't know if it got rolled into another project and I just forgot to grab it. I honestly just don't know where it is. So we're going to roll that one out. And then next one was 29, and that was a lotion. And I brought in this. This is the KP Smoothing Lotion by First Aid Beauty. I don't have thoughts on this either way. Number one, it stinks. I will say that. I don't care for the scent of it. I prefer something a bit more scented when it's on my body. But I think this is something that you have to use every single day continuously to see any kind of improvement. And I just didn't. It is something I will consider purchasing in the future, but I find that if I'm just staying on top of exfoliating my body and putting cream on top of it, then I can kind of stay on top of the KP. But yeah, this is another one finished. And then the last one was 29, and this was a holiday or a limited edition collection. And I brought in a palette from Makeup Revolution. I dropped it onto hard tile floor, and yeah, that happened. So that's why we're rolling in 6. So let me bring up my spreadsheet so I can share what I pulled. So I have 150 because there were originally 50 and then they added 100 the next year. I think this is round 8 or 9. This is only the second round that I've done it. So they've been doing it for a while. Okay, so I got prompt number 16, which is a green or clean beauty product. I'm bringing in the sample of the Pharmacy Green Clean cleansing balm. I'm pretty sure that Pharmacy is considered a clean or green company. I think some of that is just something to put on it so it'll cost more, but that's a conversation for a different day. Anyway, my goal is going to be to use this up. And again, that was prompt number 16. Prompt number 46, a product that you have 2 of or you have dupes. Okay, duh, I picked a lipstick. This is the a Shop Miss A lipstick. This is in the color Bliss. This is a really pretty color. It's a really smooth and nice formula. And I have a couple of them, and I have a ton of bold lipsticks. So my goal is going to be to use this 5 times since our finale is next month. Yeah. Number 49, a timeless classic or throwback product. I'm bringing in this. This is the Luminoso Blush from Milani. This was all over YouTube at one point. Last year I got a sample, so I sent my full size to Project Beauty Share. So my goal is going to be to use this 10 times. It's really, really pretty. Shouldn't have an issue with that. Number 55 was a skincare item. I'm bringing in the Spanking Cream from First Aid Beauty. This was in my Throwback 30 and I didn't use it at all. And I'm going to roll something else in its place. So I'll just roll this into here. This is a mask. So yeah, goal is to finish it. And then last but not least was number, Okay. So we have 2 more. So number 119, a product you already hit pan on. I brought in this. This is one of my cream blushes from Makeup Revolution that I worked on this year. I just noticed that I have pan. So I hit pan in all 4 of them. That was my goal. And I did it. And I did it. And it's really tiny and baby, but it's there. Okay. So yeah, so that was for number 119. And then we have 125, a product that you would only buy on sale. And I'm bringing in this. This is the ColourPop Ménage à Moi palette. I picked this up for Cyber Monday. I only buy ColourPop on sale because it's almost always on sale. I bought, or kid you not, Menage a Moi, wine only, and then Sorbet, the little quad. And again, Cyber Monday. I'm interested in the new quads that are coming, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm going to treat this no pan left behind style. So I want to use each pan one time. I can probably create, I don't know, maybe 4 looks out of this. So yeah, this is for prompt number 125. So that is my update. 6 new roll-ins. I apologize that I'm missing the lipstick and I broke the palette. I apologize that I don't have the footage of me rolling the numbers. But it is what it is. Like, this is real life. This is what happens. I've already filmed for hours. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you're having a fantastic holiday. I don't know if this is going to go up before Christmas or on Christmas Day. I have to look at my calendar. I don't know off the top of my head. But whatever you're doing, I hope you have a fantastic day. If you're someone who is struggling, please reach out. You're not alone. The holidays are hard for a lot of us. So yeah, but anyway, I love you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.